Hey everyone, are credit cards really a smart financial tool, or are they just a trap to get you into debt? In today's video, we will break down the biggest pros and cons of credit cards in the USA, so you can decide whether getting one is the right move for you. Make sure to watch till the end, because I will also reveal the biggest mistakes people make with credit cards that can run your credit score. Let's dive in. Number 1. Build credit score. One of the biggest benefits of having a credit card is that it helps build your credit score, which is crucial for getting approved for loans, mortgages, or even renting an apartment. Number 2. Rewards and cashbacks. Many credit cards offer cashback, airline miles, or shopping rewards. For example, if you use a Chase Freedom Unlimited cards, you get 1.5% cashback on all purchases. Number 3. Fraud protection and security. Unlike debit cards, credit cards come with zero liability protection. If someone steals your card info, you are not responsible for unauthorized transactions. Number 4. Emergency funds. Unexpected expense. A credit card can be a lifesaver when you need to cover emergency expenses. Number 5. No need to carry cash. Shopping online or traveling, a credit card makes transaction fast, easy, and safe. No rush to carry cash anywhere. Cons of credit cards. If you don't pay off your balance in full every month, you could be paying up to 25 to 30% interest on your purchases. Number 2. Leads to overspending. It's easy to swipe and spend, but that can lead to impulse buying and unnecessary debt. Number 3. Hidden fees and charges. Annual fees, late fees, and foreign transaction fees can quickly add up if you are not careful. Number 4. Can hurt your credit score. Missed payments or maxing out your credit limit can damage your credit score, making it harder to get loans in the future. Number 5. Minimum payments. Debt trap. If you only pay the minimum balance, it could take years to pay off your debt, costing you thousands in interest. How to use a credit card wisely. Always pay your full balance on time. Use it only necessary purchases. Avoid using more than 30% of your credit limit. Check for hidden fees before applying. So should you get a credit card if you use it responsibly? A credit card can be a great financial tool, but if you overspend or miss payments, it can lead to debt and financial stress. What do you think? Do you prefer using a credit card or a debit card? Comment below. Subscribe and watch next. Best credit cards for beginners in 2005. How to improve your credit score fast. Hit the like button if your video helped you, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching this video.